money.
No.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the C-clamp we bought last night.
Well, he told me it was up underneath the passenger side back seat.
Okay.
I flipped it up, didn't see it.
Okay.
There's a ton of clothes on the other side.
That screw right there. Yeah. No, they ain't gonna do nothing. I mean, I can't believe that a 3-inch screw won't pull it in if you put one down. What is that screw right there? That one needs to come out. That one needs to come out.
Yeah.
If you take them out, it might. Where do you start your 3 inches back here?
What?
I'm talking Andrew.
All the way across?
In the middle.
I don't have no more metal to bend.
You got to move all the stuff on this side.
What? That clamp? I'll get it. In my truck, I'll get it.
Bottom on this side. In the middle.
Okay.
Go in, please.
Of course it will. Of course it will.
Huh?
Yeah. In there. Put your screws in it. I like that much better. Thank you. Thank you.
Always the way to fix the problem.
Absolutely. I like your little tiki bar, man. That's pretty cool. That is cool. Where'd you get the little stools like that?
There's a place right by my house out in Williamstown. He sells like those stools and stuff like that. And
What do them stools cost like that?
those ones were like $300 each. Yeah, they were expensive, but I wanted them to complete it. Like he'll carve these too.
Wow.
But
That's amazing.
that I built.
Yeah, very cool. Very cool.
The tiki hut,
Yeah.
I love it.
I know, isn't that cool?
I like the little misters up around
Yeah.
the top and everything else.
Very cool.
Yeah, it gets warm out here during the day with the sun on you.
Yeah.
Oh
So,
yeah.
yeah. And then at night I got all the lights in it.
Yeah, that's very cool. I love it so much. Yeah, as soon as I seen that, I said, now that is cool. I didn't take any pictures of it or nothing like that. My wife see that shit, she'd be like, can't you put us one of them?
Of course.
I drew all my plans out in the drawing program I use. So everything's to scale, so I could send you a copy.
Wow.
Tell you what size to make every board.
Wow. Where'd you get that top?
The roof is just ordered on Amazon. Comes in a roll of
No kidding.
35 inches by 60 foot.
3 inches on this side.
Okay.
3/4.
So yeah, it's a roll of
You got how long it is, right?
30 by 60
That's pretty
foot.
cool.
And
I
it
like
takes
that.
about a roll and a half to do that.
I mean,
like a 9
that's
foot.
what really makes that thing.
1 of 2 and 3/4.
Then you even did the hips and everything.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Making that turn there.
Take my time.
It'll last about 3 years.
I'll work it out.
Really?
Yeah. They sell synthetic. It's more money,
Just
but
like a regular box.
I haven't really gotten a price on it because
Inch and a half down.
everything's send for a quote. But yeah, I got, because it's in full sun, so yeah, I got 3 years out of
8
it.
inches down.
What is that stuff called on your ceiling? Never seen it before.
That is, I found that on antique ceilings.
Yeah.
It's just foam panels.
Foam, yeah. I mean, it's
And they're
light, super
lightweight.
light.
Yeah, I'll show you what one looks like.
Yeah.
But it just goes up like a mastic.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. It's no effort. Like I just put it on, just stick it, and move on to the next one.
No way.
It was that easy.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah, I was looking for something that.
That is unbelievable. Is it tongue and groove?
No, just panels.
Unbelievable. Are you kidding me? And you, that is amazing. So you definitely got to get a straight line to start with. One straight line. I mean, that's got to be like perfect.
Yeah. Just cut it real quick with a razor blade, but.
I can see where you got a dip in that side of the roof over there.
Yeah. That's all they are.
Are you kidding me?
That's it.
Oh my God.
So you just, like that one's cut there, but that's
Oh
that
my
one's
God.
cut too.
I had no idea.
That's all it is, and it just goes up with like a. You can get it at Home Depot, but this company sells it in caulk tubes, so I just bought it from them because it was easier than getting the gallon bucket and putting it on with a putty knife. But yeah, just get a little bop 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 and just sticks, and it's stuck in place.
You put this on the back.
Yep, just put that right on the back and just stuck them in place and just moved right down.
That is insane. And I'm thinking when I'm looking at it, it's the stick or something, you know, like that.
Yeah, nah.
I gotta show
Because I
this.
wanted something lightweight to
Oh my gosh,
put
I
up
see
there.
this. Yeah, I want it.
Yeah, here's a fill sheet, not even cut.
Yeah, let me see one. I want to show them that. That's insane. Chris, that's his ceiling.
Yeah, they're just styrofoam pads.
That's his ceiling.
That is cool.
I've never seen anything like that for my life. No tongue and groove. You just pop your straight line, get your straight run going, and just stick, move to the next
down the
one.
middle, I ran a,
Caulking around the outside,
ran a
stick
chalk
it up
line
there.
and then just started right in the middle and worked out. Yeah, it sticks instantly. Just right on because they're lightweight and they don't droop, don't sag.
Isn't that something? And it looks like
Yeah, it looks real good.
that's.
I was
good.
actually thinking it was tongue and groove.
Me too. Me too. That's what I asked him. Tongue groove. Yeah.
Yeah, that company, they're out of Florida.
Never
It's
heard
just
of
called antiqueceiling.com.
I'm gonna take a picture of that because I guarantee there'll be some people interested.
Oh
in
yeah.
that.
Buddy of mine, he's a couple streets back. He went and just ordered them. He just got them, just did his whole roof.
He did it himself.
Yep.
I could really make some places look nice with that.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It
Oh
did
my God.
because it was just a trailer roof, and you know them little strips in the middle
Oh my
get
God.
yellowed, and
Yeah, I want to see that. There's a picture of that because I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
Where's the name of this?
right here. That's where they're at.
Right there.
Right here, BB.
Camera.
Oh, you behind me. I know, look, BB, come on.
Good there.
Yep.
Take it up.
There's a lot of trash. I had to find the dumpster first.